alive. So this is James. Okay, no.
What?
This is Alex.
Do I look like James?
Yeah. So, as we can see, we have our faithful guide over there. The dog. His name is Moose. He's way better guiding than Alex.
Yeah.
So we have prisoner 117 here. Trial test 17. Let's throw him down the hill. Prisoner 117 made it.
That was actually pretty fun.
Okay, so we're hiking.
I'm not hiking.
Anything you want to say to the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're walking on the river now. So we thought it was safe, and it totally is safe because, as you can see, snow and the ice, it's good. But I stepped in the one part that hadn't frozen over yet. And now my right leg, all I can feel is water. Yeah, this is why I love coming out to nature. Because it's just so peaceful and quiet, and it's just so natural.
Stand right there.
Oh, oh my knee. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool.
Money.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I just fell. Now my knee, I don't know if you can see. It's absolutely broken! No! Okay, no. Should probably find somewhere to stop so I can clean it off. So there's like a river, beautiful. And I don't know what that is. Is this sewage?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like a sewage box thing. It looks like a giant sandbox.
It is. It's actually a giant rock box. There's a bunch of big rocks.
Knowledgeable time with Alex. Learn facts. As we can see, the relationship between these two creatures is very strong. He feeds him, and the monster does not eat him. He takes the snacks very liberally, going for snack every single time. But the creature is moving in with an ulterior motive. He's going to bury his food and eat him. Except as we can see, this creature is very inefficient. What are you doing?
Absolutely not. You want to see inefficient?
Oh! The creature is lashing out! No! Okay, we have to run from her. Whoa. Come on. The creature does not seem happy and isn't fast, and indeed faster than me. No, Moose! Traitor! We found where we're gonna be camping. This shack. No, I'm kidding. Looks like an old hen house or something. Hold on. Let me get a close-up view. I can't get
You got words on this one, too.
Yeah, let's especially get the bad words. That's what the viewers come here for.
You want a pin?
Do something rotten. I think I'll pass. Going back on the river, which I swear I heard a crack underneath my feet. And my foot got wet again. But I think that's just part of crossing a river. Day 27. We still haven't found a way out. I'm kidding. No, we're still going. It's been like, it felt like only 10 minutes we've been out here, but I bet like it's been like an hour or two. Just chasing one another. Get him, we need dinner. We got him. I'm kidding. Okay, so we're walking back on the ice now. And we're approaching the goalie net right now, which is kind of interesting because who plays hockey out here in the middle of nowhere? Because I don't see any houses nearby. Yeah. What you say we run off with this? Okay, come on. Dude, put it down. Put it down. Why do I feel like one of us is just gonna fall through? Because there's no footprints over here.
Because one of us will.
So we're closer to the water now. Oh, did you find a patch?
It's only like an inch thick. Stick it in there. See how cool it looks.
So we're heading back. I actually don't know how much footage I actually got. I tried to take footage here and there, and things just take a lot more energy than you'd think. Beautiful landscape we got right there. Oh, it's so beautiful. Comment down below if you've ever licked a tree.
Yeah.
You was like this close to actually touching the tree. Yeah, but Moose is just licking the tree right now. Okay, last time we traveled along the top of the ridge there, but this time we're actually going down inside of it that I can get some good footage. Thank you, Alex. I know in vlogging they never tell you go like this angle, but my arm's really tired, so I'd like to apologize to all you guys out there. I mean, the air, yes, it is cold initially, but after you get used to it, it just gets normal. And I know this sounds extremely weird, but it has like a nice taste to it, kind of like minty. See? Yeah, so this is just 6 feet tall, is almost as tall as him. So I rather not jump because I like my knees, but there's a bridge up ahead, so I know not as cool, but I think I'm gonna take the bridge. Maybe less manly, but I'd rather be less manly and have my kneecaps. So now we have a sewer exit over here.
Hello?
Say hi to Tom for me.
Hey Tom, what's up, bruh? I don't think he's in there.
You don't think he's in there? But I saw him floating. He was taking a nice nap. He owes me $5. Your head hit the branch. Are you okay? Oh, another branch fell. Bruh. That was like the most anticlimactic jump ever. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, so Moose has found a very teeny weeny stick. I don't know if you can see it on screen. But yeah, that's the teeny weeny stick he's found. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward myself to home where it's warm and nice, and I'm probably gonna get a snack. So, see you guys.